Stephen Australia here. We would have seen my kangaroo video previously posted. Another native animal to Australia is the emu. Just stumbled across a field full of emus here, so I'll take some video of it. Similar to the kangaroos, they're just standing there eating grass, keeping to themselves. Strange animals, very similar to the ostrich in the US. But I don't know, I don't really trust them. They've got such a little head and such a little brain. They seem to do weird things. They also run out in front of cars like kangaroos do. But these ones seem harmless enough, just keep them to themselves. Just enjoying the winter sun, feeding on the grass. Occasionally looking over at me to see what I'm doing. Thanks for watching. Cheers.